the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn.
You don't have to do it this way, but I definitely wanted to add some type of curl because I felt like my curls were kind of dry a little bit. And the twists are not perfect. Separate them, try to get them a little, you know, get a little messy, get that messy feel, that messy look, you feel me? All right, I just wanted to come back with a finished face so I could show you the other product. So it's a little wet, it's not too dry. Every time I like fake put it up just to see how I like it, but I'm like, you know what? I think I like the way it is. I just tuck it in. I'm gonna tuck this in, and then I added like a little new trick to my little bun. This is my messy bun tutorial. I hope I wasn't talking too much. Again, I would only suggest doing little twisties on top of your bun if you do have the time, if you're about to go out. This is a cute going out on a date, going out with girlfriends, going out with social events. Just a nice laid back vibe. This is my cute bun. Oh, period. I might wet these because they look a little dry, but yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. And that's on period. And if you guys love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't already, please don't hesitate to subscribe to Fifi's TV to be notified on future videos that I'll be uploading for y'all. I love y'all for watching me, and I will see y'all in my next video. Ew, my nails, don't worry. I'm going tomorrow. Bye, loves.